Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Arun. In this video, we are going to learn about React hooks and no classes, and this video will explains how you are going to write the functional programming in the React. As we know, the latest version of the reactjs is moving away from the classes, and it is going to be the functional way of programming. Still, the classes are still valid, but the after latest version of 16.8, the hooks are introduced. The writing a new way of coding in a functional way of programming style. So this video will also teach us and explains about how we are going to change or move from classes to functional way of programming. Um, Here in this video, I'm going to teach this step-by-step guide how you are going to write a code in a hooks, and also we write how to use the hooks, and we also going to learn about custom hooks, how we can create custom hooks. Okay, so we're going to start the new program now. Installing React is a very simple step, so we can do it by create React app, a simple CLI command. It's a template application, we can do installation. So before you run the command create React app, you should have the particular node version. So that can be done by node.js.org site and check this latest version, what version you have, and the current version. I would recommend, like, typically you can go for most of the uses 18.112, but you will have at the time of installation you will have a different version, so better to have the latest version. And we're going to run it this create React app in few minutes. Once you have installed the node version, the node software installed in your computer, then you can verify and check by simple command node version. Yeah, it's the latest version present here. Now you are ready to create first React app. Generally, the node comes with two packages. That's the node packages and as well as npx. Now we are going to use npx command to create first React app. Npx and create React app is a command, and the first hello world app is my application name. Before that, before npx, so we used to create app like npm command to create app, means run the command to create React, means to install React globally, and run the and create our application. So two different commands we need to use. After npx came, so we can both can be do in a single command. See, so it's installing. It's still installing. We have successfully installed and created here. So once you successfully installed here, it will show the screen like that. This is my first project. So CD into this. So, so you can see the folder structure here. So node modules, package, JSON. So I'm going to show like how easily we can run the React application. So okay, it's a simple command npm start. So this will start the application in a local host. So by running this command, your project is successfully compiled. Okay, and this is the your URL localhost. It runs in a local host and a default port 3000. So easily we can run the React app this way. Hope you like this video, and if you have any clarification, further questions, please do message me or just put it in a comment section. So I'm happy to answer.